Hey guys, I'm back again, finally. It's been quite a while. I apologize. I have just been fighting the cold season. I've been sick and low energy, and I just thought, like, oh, the flu's really hitting hard this year. And psych, I'm actually pregnant. And so, instead of morning sickness, I have all day sickness, which is a lot of fun. And we have a 9-month-old and we have a 10-year-old. So we just didn't think it would happen this soon. So we're basically completely ready for a baby. We did have to trade for a bigger vehicle to haul everybody. So we've just been busy, lots of changes and stuff like that going on. So in the meantime, my decks have really stacked up and I haven't even got to look at them. So I'm going to take this chance, this blizzard, everyone's snowed in, the state is basically shut down, to do a bunch of unboxings and walk through these decks so everyone can get to see them. The one I'm going to do for this video is the 5-cent tarot. I backed this on Kickstarter and I'm so excited about it. I don't know, I haven't got to see it yet because I haven't opened it. I haven't, about the time that all my decks came in is when I got sick and didn't realize right away that I was pregnant, and so I just didn't know what was going on. Super out of touch with my body apparently. And so I haven't even got to look at this, but I think that it's going to be a great deck whether you're an advanced reader or a beginning reader. I think this deck's going to be amazing. I also have the Modern Witch, which is still in plastic. I can't, no, the Ten of Swords isn't on here. So that's the Ten of Swords image, that everything, it's fine, this is fine. That's the reason I bought this deck. The Magician is pretty awesome too. She's gorgeous. But I can't wait to go through this deck. For Christmas, my husband got me the Way of the Panda tarot, which I've seen different pictures when people in the different groups do readings. This deck is gorgeous. It's so cute. I had the Threads of Fate come in, the Shadow Edition, which I also didn't get to look at because I've been sick. I have two that I found that come in tins. So the Witch's Oracle, which is a mini, but it comes in this really nice tin. And the Pixies Lenormand, which this will be my first Lenormand deck, so I'm excited about that. And I also have this. I'm not quite sure what this is actually. It says the Spells deck, 78 charms, remedies, and rituals for the modern mystic. So I think this will be kind of exciting to walk through. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus for you. Hopefully. Okay, so I'm gonna switch around and probably refill my Sprite or ginger ale, and then we will walk through the 5-cent tarot. Okay, so this is the 5-cent tarot by Madam Clara that I backed on Kickstarter a while ago. 78 plus 4 cards. This is a certificate of authenticity, it says. Oh, the 5-cent seal. Let's see. Came with a little thank you note. You could had your choice of colors. I don't remember. I think I had my deck edged in green. I can't remember. We'll have to get in there and look. So the reason that I backed this on Kickstarter was because it has, to me, it has like a really vintage tattoo, vintage fortune teller feel, and it is like Rider-Waite adjacent. There are some differences, like I can't remember now, the pentacles are buttons, the swords are needles, the cups are teacups, which I love, and what else? Oh, and the wands are matchsticks. And then it has, let's see how this opens. Fate, Destiny, Fortune, Ask the Cards. I love that. Okay, so it's a pretty thin book. I always like a good book. This looks like it does have nice meanings in it. This little magnetic box. That's nice. Everything about this is like vintage fortune teller vibes, which I love. Yep, so we did go with the green. I think red was the other option. But I really like that green. Okay. So the ace of matches. So then it has keywords for the uprights and for the reversals, which is really nice. So I think this will be helpful to beginners, but then also I don't think it takes away from the art and the picture for more advanced readers. I don't think it'll trip you up at all or anything like that. And I love the imagery. So the ace of matches, or wands, inspiration, opportunity, potential, distraction, delay, hesitation. The thing that I think that is neat about this too is also if you're doing a reading with someone that knows nothing about tarot or anything, with these words on there, they would be able to just pick up a word and be like, do any of these words resonate with you? How do they apply to your situation? They might have a word jump out at them and be able to add to their reading and get more specific. So I think that's really nice too. Okay, so I am just going to go through these. I'll flip through these and then feel free to pause if you want to go through the cards, but I won't read everyone to you. Like usual, I'll see if my husband can find some music to put in the background, so it's not me just breathing. This is my favorite card out of the whole deck. This image is what, this and the Death card are the two that I was like, I have to have this deck. So these would be the 4 cards that come from the creator, the 4 extra cards. So the Unknown, the Beyond, the Universe, and the Messenger. Which I think those are pretty neat ads, actually. Yeah, I'm really excited about this deck. The artwork isn't, none of the artwork isn't what I would have ever thought it would be, but I'm attracted to all of it. And it makes sense to me, like, when I look at it. So like the Knight of Matches, 7 of Cups, all the little teacups. I mean, all of it, it goes. I mean, this is a great deck. So the 3 of Swords, so this is the 3 of Needles, but I'm, you know, that's still, you can still see the traditional meanings. Okay, so this awesome deck was the 5-cent tarot by Madam Clara. You can now order it shipping straight from Etsy, and I will put a link down below, and then I will get started on the next walkthrough. Thanks, guys.